Alright guys, XG is back with their digital single In the Rain. And as always with all concepts, it's always a mystery. It's always new, it's always fresh, and they always kill it. We'll see where to go with this one. Let's get it. But before that, quick shout out for the Patreon. For 10 bucks a month, you get all the currently airing K-drama and anime, as well as weekly idol content for the groups listed on the schedule. It's over. It's over. With Jiria's humming, it's over. R&B?
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head, head over heels, nothing to fear. Cause we had each other, fall through the weather. There was no other like this. And then you started hiding it, sliding in,
Sliding in.
So evident. Boy, why are you stuttering? Belmont, you still running in. Goodbye, goodbye. See, you never been like that.
More of a vocal geared song, huh?
What a pity. You got nobody to blame but your baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side.
Interesting thing, everybody got a line and it all went back to Jiria besides Kokona. So I feel like maybe Kokona's gonna have like her own rap verse. Yeah. They cycled through everyone but Kokona. And it went back right to Jiria. So you know how great of a vocalist Kokona is.
Rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop. Hails every time it drop.
You best believe they're gonna perform this with umbrellas on Music Bank, 100%.
Me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything.
That's nice.
Nobody to hold, can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side. So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right when you left me. In the rain, in the rain.
Look at Hinata's facial expression. Yeah, the anguish where you left me. Choreo goes so hard. Wow, just an amazing dance performance-esque kind of release here. Yeah, just to highlight all of their vocals. Probably one of their first songs in the discography to just highlight their angelic vocals, especially from the rap line. We know how great the main vocalists are, but yeah, like Maya, Kokona, yeah, Churin and Harvey. Yeah, that's amazing stuff. Yeah, much more of a calmer and chiller vibe though for a single. It kind of gives off more of like, yeah, just one of the B-sides in their album. They always do that, right? In their official albums, they release all the B-sides first with the music videos, and then they release the main title, right? But this is just a separate standalone digital single. Oh, okay. All right, guys, if you want to check out more XG content, I'll link the playlist down below in the description. See you guys next time.